in Photoshop, I want to crop this design. I want to crop these layers. Well, if I go and do that, just go to the crop tool, just crop it, press return, it resizes the document. It just crops the entire thing. I don't want that. Just want to crop it to that design. So how to do that? Well, select all the layers, then go to layer and down to merge layers. So it all becomes one single pixel layer. Then you can go to select menu and load selection. That creates a selection using this transparency. Click OK. So with this, you can convert this into a path. You need the path panel, so window and path. Right side menu, just click there and make work path. You can give it a tolerance. I'm going to go with 1.0. So make work path, click OK. And now you've got your work path. Now this is no use for the clipping mask. Not at this point. What you need to do is another step. Just go here, maybe select the curvature tool or one of the other tools, pen tool, curvature tool, and then go for shape. So I'm just going to go with shape. Want it to be a vector shape. So vector shape, got this design, and now with this, I can convert it into a shape. So how to do that? Just go to the rectangle tool, make certain the colour is white. Doesn't have to be, of course, but white is going to be a nice one. You could change the colour, obviously to yellow. I'm going to go with white. With that, just drag it down. Just drag it down below that layer. Select the image layer and then go to layer and create clipping mask. Now you've got that clipping mask. What you can do, select both and then you can merge them. But you'll notice there's still a problem. Still got this ugly edge. I don't want that. So make sure you've got the shape selected there. Go to the rectangle tool. So rectangle tool, go here and subtract front shape. And then now you could of course use any other shape tool as well. But I'm just going to crop that bit there. You can see it's just cut off and now there. What about there? And of course you can resize it, maybe. Yeah, okay, so I'm happy with that. Once you've done that, you can then go back here, select both, then go to layer and merge layers. And there you have it. Lovely cropped design, which you can then move around. And of course, I'm certain there's other ways of doing this in Photoshop. This is one approach that I use. Hold down the Alt Option key and drag, and you can see now you've got that duplicated design. Maybe go over blend modes, run through those, change that. Also, apply filters. So filter, maybe go for liquify, and then just distort the design. So you can create all kinds of weird and wonderful wavy designs. And click OK. And again, transform, rotate, and again, if you wish, hold down the Alt Option key and duplicate. If you've got any questions about this, please put in the comments below. Thank you much.